Okay, let's do this here. Jefferson County Court at Law number 2 is back in session. Back in session, our pretrial conference docket. Next case is cause number 3288863. Case of Styles of State of Texas versus Bobby Ray Prudhomme. Bobby Prudhomme was scheduled to be in court this morning at 9 a.m. for the court's pretrial conference plea docket. At about 9 a.m., the court's bailiff called the name of Bobby Prudhomme at the courthouse door. Bobby Prudhomme did not answer. Bobby Prudhomme has not appeared in court since the court has been in session. The court has been in session since 9 a.m. The time now is 1:17 p.m. on today's date of September 19 of 2022. Mr. Bailiff, would you please call the name of Bobby Prudhomme at the courthouse door?
Bobby Prudhomme. Bobby Prudhomme. I'm so sorry. Your Honor. I see something on here that indicates that restitution may have been paid.
Oh, okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I believe restitution may have been paid.
Okay.
So we will move to dismiss.
Oh, so that case will be dismissed?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so the restitution in clause number 3288863, case of Styles of State of Texas versus Bobby Ray Prudhomme. That case is to be dismissed. Okay. Okay, court is in session and calls numbers 327-874 and calls number 331-504. Case of South State of Texas versus Marvin Gabriel Holmes. Marvin Holmes was scheduled to be in court this morning at 9 a.m. for the court's announcement docket. At or about 9 a.m., the court's bailiff called the name of Marvin Holmes at the courthouse door. Marvin Holmes did not answer. Marvin Holmes has not appeared in court since the court has been in session. Mr. Bailiff, would you please call the name of Marvin Holmes at the courthouse door? Marvin Holmes. No response. Marvin Holmes' name was just called again at the courthouse door by the court's bailiff. Marvin Holmes again did not answer. A reasonable time has passed to give Mr. Holmes an opportunity to appear in court. He has not appeared in court. State, do you have a motion?
Yes, Your Honor, state moves the bond forfeiture.
That motion will be granted in each case. Marvin Holmes bond will be forfeited and the warrant shall be issued in cause numbers 327-874 and cause number 331-504. Next case is cause numbers 331-608, case of Style of State of Texas versus Jeremy Russell Moore. Jeremy Moore was scheduled to be in court this morning at 9 a.m. for the court's announcement docket. At about 9 a.m., Jeremy Moore's name was called by the court's bailiff at the courthouse door. Jeremy Moore did not answer. Jeremy Moore, nor his attorney, has appeared in court. The court has been in session since 9 a.m. The time now is 1:29 p.m. on today's date. Mr. Bailiff, would you please call the name of Jeremy Moore at the courthouse door? Jeremy Moore. No response. Jeremy Moore's name was just called again at the courthouse door. Jeremy Moore did not answer. A reasonable time has passed to give Mr. Moore an opportunity to appear in court. He has not appeared in court. State, do you have a motion?
Yes, Your Honor, state moves the bond forfeiture.
That motion will be granted. Jeremy Moore's bond will be forfeited and warrant shall be issued for his arrest in cause number 331-608. And at this time, the court will be in recess. Okay. Mr. Yeah, it's on there.
Okay,
YouTube. Okay, Judge.
there's a guy outside there,
Yeah, I think,
Reed Miller.
yeah, why don't you go call and get Reed Miller in here? That's your, the special prosecutor right there. The gentleman right there, that's your special
Okay.
prosecutor.
Hey, how you doing?
Doing well. Better after Saturday, that second half.
Yeah,
Um,
Okay, let me,
and I don't know how to get this guy. No, Zoom?
no, they're gonna appear.
Oh, they go,
They already know that he's supposed to be on at 1:30, and so he's gonna pop up on there at 1:30, so you might need to call it, she's calling it.
all right, good, okay. Got two cases here, yours and, guy named Siggy that's gonna appear by Zoom, he's in jail. What are you doing?
I'm a special prosecutor. I'm just here to,
Okay,
I guess, I believe he's representing himself. That's what. Yes. So I haven't been able to tell him or tell anybody what the offer is. So I was going to relay to you and to the court what it is. And the recommendation in this case is gonna be 16 months probation with a $500 fine and an interlock during that entire time of probation. I'm not sure what happens after this. I don't know about the paperwork because I'm not familiar with Jefferson County, but that's the first time he's hearing this offer since he doesn't have an attorney.
Well, I would suggest that you talk to him. I mean, there's nothing to prevent that. He's representing himself.
I was gonna do that in the presence of the court, if anything. I didn't want to call him up.
Well, no, I think you have a right to call him up on the phone and say, I understand you're representing yourself and I'm such. He can talk to you if he wants to, or he doesn't. But
May we use the jury room to?
sure,
This-
don't y'all go talk, yeah.
And
Mr. Seguin.
Yeah.
They knew last week to have him on there, but Lieutenant Ponder took off today.
Oh,
He's the one that I had made contact with.
well,
Who's judgment explanation of rights and waiver? We would have to give him the time to appeal to the.
You already have them. Did they represent itself the whole time, man?
I don't think so. Let me look at the file.
what is the prosecutor's name?
Reese Road,
Is he from Orange?
yes,
Is he a special prosecutor or something?
yes. Here's,